Celine Marsh right now. And Lams Lamina with an ace.
Lams Lamina.
Practically, they have nothing to lose here.
Ooh, that one.
Another ace.
Another service ace by Lams.
Saktong-sakto doon sa corner.
Just look at that float and dropping at the right time. Spikers.
Lamina. Pinuntahan si Celine Marsh on the right side. Free ball for San Beda. But Char was denied.
Good blocking coming.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Just
And a nice serve. Alex Samata on target.
good call on Mata.
Reverse set. Janelle Bachar hammers it down.
Janelle Bachar. No touches on those blockers' hands whatsoever on the side of NU. This lefty.
Combination play. Escalar bombs away.
Escalar with a power.
Making from their star setter.
Maaya coming in as a decoy, but Escalar finishes things off.
Sa kanya more than individual stats. And above everything, she wants to take care of the legacy that Bella Belen and their seniors left behind. Coach asked us to play with pride. We're representing a champion team and my inspiration is to defend that.
Back and recover.
Celine Marsh goes for it.
Good chase by San Beda.
Naisalba pa ni Janelle Bachar. From the pipe, Myrtle Escalar delivers.
She elevates to reach that ball and that finish at the end line.
Now it's Bachar. Cardio. Setting up Salazar. Was sent back by Navarro. Hiponya. Oh, Alexa Mata sending that back. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Definitely worse.
Biggest lead for NU now at 6. But San Beda hanging in there. Maganda yung pagsisimula ng San Beda in this first set. But Salazar finding a seam in the defense. Campos with a good first ball. Bachar with a diagonal hit.
I'm going cross court, and what a back set coming from Gracie Hiponya.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Sir. Oh, isa na naman magandang serve. Cham-cham maayam. Oh, Abacon tried to save it. Nabitin lang. But Escalar. Abacon able to track it down. Naisalba pa nila itong opensiba nila doon. But Celine Marsh will not be denied.
Another. Shire Hardio very composed as she digs that ball, but Celine Marsh with so much.
Happy Pono will just get it across. Oh, Angel Abacon!
Zone 4.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
So many, or have so many options.
Celine Marsh elevates.
And look at this. A good read in terms of blocking for San Beda already just in the first set alone.
Campos bumps it up to Angel. Right in between Escalar and Maay. Escalar. Pagkakataon para sa San Beda. Habakon. Celine Marsh from the left side. Yes!
Again, Celine. Great set coming from Lamina.
Actually, you also have to comment SB. Escalar again. Abe Pono with her first touch. She gets that one in.
And you really celebrating that point.
National youth.
Yes, and that's two very different positions.
Ah! Exquisite.
Coming from Gracie Hiponya as well.
This cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. 6 points na si Angel. Gawin mo ng 7 dahil sa ace na yun.
Luck playing only a 1-point lead this time for NU.
Golden opportunity for the Lady Red Spikers to pounce. Oh, drop ball works. We are tied at 20.
Good pass this time.
Abe Pono, though, makes sure that they get
Going or trusting Abby Pono despite her again being that setter at these crucial moments.
ulit si Abe Pono. Another chance for San Beda. Katubig! Yes!
So much heart.
San Beda, isa na naman pagkakataon para sa kanila. Gaining confidence with each rally. Celine Marsh, though, detonates!
Marsh, again, just so much heart from this sophomore or this second-year player.
You could just sense that they win this set 26-24. Oh, she gets an ace.
Good ace for De La Cruz after Angel Habacon. So, might be worth knowing
Oo.
the reason.
Nice serve. Angel gets it across and through. Is there Tolme the blocker direct? Service ace from Abe Pono.
For San Beda.
Bombita bombs away.
Vita there.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Array. Our rules, download the app.
Top teams in the first round and in the second round as well. So definitely they have been playing.
Combination play, De La Cruz.
Noise here for San Beda.
This school play brought to you by RNB Milk Tea. Order now.
That was a good play.
Habacon, picked up by IC Cepada. Pono, cross court. Nice rally here. And you with a chance from the pipe. Bombita! Yes!
Quality with the reinforcement.
Celine Marsh delivers immediately for that.
Again with a hammer coming from that perfect setup by Lamina.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavor. Escandlar, cross court, nandoon. Si Campos from the pipe, Habako, napayungan, pero siya rin nag-cover. Lams Lamina, gumawa ng paraan.
A tight pass, but Lamina taking care of business there.
This school play brought to you by RNB Milk Tea, or just the awareness she has. The IQ. And the block from Akop.
This time coming from Caballero.
This block brought to you by Perry China. It's an ace. Espina reverse set. Machar makes up for that last miss
by Gina Espina. She was all the way in the left side, but bringing that. Let's see if Gina Espina will go to her again.
Angel. Nice pickup by Myrtle Escandlar. One more time. Habacon! Yes!
That's the redemption coach. Kung sorry, adjustments in terms of blocking Habacon.
Celine Marsh!
What a play coming from Lasing. Bahamonde as decoy, but Marsh with an exclamation point to finish things off in that rally. And now at the back row.
Celine Marsh, one more time. We have a shoot.
Same thing here on the other side. Lamina. That's back-to-back points for
Miles. Let's see if San Beda can complete this improbable performance here in set number 2. Day 2. Performance by spearheading this attack by San Beda with 13 markers. Celine Marsh scores her 12th point. And
Arapanike.
Choniega sa gitna.
Choniega only.
Combination play, my goodness. She is such.
Celine Marsh is definitely playing one of her best games so far. is what I mean.
Oo. Sa development talaga ni Celine eh. Abe Pono, ambag din siya doon ng puntos in preparation for their upcoming UAP season.
Yep, it gives chances to those second stringers and for the coaches to find different combinations as well.
Oh, Batchar! Chinagaan yun ng San Beda. Pinuntaan si Abe Pono. Na-receive ng San Beda. Katubig sliding in was Shaira Hardio. Escanlar, Biong picks it up. Katubig. Another nice rally here. Cham Maaya finds a spot.
What the save.
Cavite. Angel Abacon. Now it's with Lams Lamina. Pinuntahan si Celine Marsh.
Celine Marsh. Just so confident in that approach. The top scorer.
Tatawid. Free ball for San Beda. What a smart play from Miss.
Like she was gonna set that ball.
Oh.
But
Last split second, no? De joke lang. Daphne, of course, one of our commentators. Oh! Celine Marsh. Just... Oh! That time she was sent back. Habakon unable to... This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. We'll be right back. Habakon muli. Bump set. Celine Marsh. Clip the lash.
going for zone 4. Clearly, there was that gap in...
Campos with a faulty reception. Good thing they were able to recover, but NU with a chance.
Good dig there by Habakon.
Katubig zooms in.
I love how consistent that San Beda needs aside from Angel Habakon.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner. We've seen San Beda crawl their way back to tie it up in the first set. But that time, nice.
Alexa Mata now making her presence felt with her offense. Good setup by Lamina.
Today. Katubig, supalpal, inaabot niya doon.
Patay sarado this time ang NU.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken.
And playing in the absence of their usual attackers. But Angel Habakon won.
Celine Marsh outside. No, it's in actually.
Right on.
University 25-18. They lead now too. Diba? Sarap ng mangga dun. Ay, mga beach din. Oh, Celine Marsh continuing her...
Not much errors in the attack.
Not only today. I mean, this whole
season, yes. That San Beda needs to work on so far.
Oh, but Char has been checked.
Coach Kung Fu, but take a look at this last play. Oh, that was Celine Marsh with a block. Trying to get her to compose herself.
But Char, second time she's denied. But Char tinapik lang. Celine Marsh, cross court. Lista mo na.
Again for her.
But has shown immense growth here in her sophomore season. Right on cue.
Seeing that she has been executing.
Like a machine. Well, Angel. Oh, Escalar.
Another bomb under that cross-court zone. Too much to handle.
Katubig ulit. Bump set. Celine Marsh. Isa pa.
The way she rises and reaches for that ball.
From the pipe, Escanlar. Habakon diving in. Oh, in the middle, trying to stay afloat. Oh, massive attack. Power.
by Abby Pono, coming from a perfect setup by Lamina. 1 over.
22-15. Angel. Denied by Chamchamaya.
Maaya teaming up with Lamina for that block.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.